Hey all, good afternoon. Ajit this side. Today is the 15th of April, and I quickly wanted to share an update on Citroen C3X or any Citroen model cars that has a engine start stop functionality. And some of us have reported that the system fails. And today I'm going to give you precisely the reason why it fails and why it's not a failure as such. All these are technical features that are tested in the environment prescribed by Citroen. Only in these parameters and conditions that these functions work. The first priority is the ambient AC temperature should be ideal. If the ambient temperature is higher than the temperature inside the car, the engine start stop function does not work. Second one is the engine should not be overheated and it should not be cold either. The third one, you should have a minimal speed. I mean, engine start stop actually works when you are stalling, when you're stalled, when you stop the vehicle, not while you're moving. In case you are at 10 or 15 kilometers per hour, start stop function does not work. It has to stop completely. The gear, if the car is in neutral gear, it works. If you put it in first gear and stop, it does not work. The next parameter is the functionality is such set in such a way that the engine start stop works three times in 1 minute. So if you are in a bottleneck traffic and if you are crossing the 10 to 15 kilometers per hour speed and braking again, the start stop function works. But for the fourth time, it does not work. It works for three times in 1 minute, and after that, it does not work. So keep all these parameters in mind while you're testing it out because it's not a fault. I had mine. I went to my dealer, and the dealer service manager actually educated me on all these parameters, and these parameters are part of the service manual. So I request all of you to go through it. It's not a failure, it's just a safety feature for all of us. I hope this information helps. It may not be applicable only for Citroen, but also widely for all other brands as well, because each brand has a plus or minus one or two features that restricts the start stop function to actually function efficiently. So kindly read your owner's manual, and that should definitely help you out. And in case you have further questions, your dealer or the service team should be the first point of contact. Do not get panicked. And any new car right now coming in 2026 will have advanced safety features, not just the six airbags, but it also has some inbuilt technology through the ECU, which auto cuts off many of the technical elements that will be safer for the driver and the passenger. So hope it helps. Thank you. And if it has helped you, do follow C3X Diaries on Instagram and YouTube. And more to come. Thank you all. See you. Have a nice day.